Hello and good morning, everyone. Uh, Today is 11th of Jan 2017, and the time is 9:29. And I am going to show you a historical place which is situated in Delhi, Hauz Khas in Kalusara area. And I think you all should need to see this because this place just needs some refurbishment or some kind of repairment, etc. Uh, as you can see, uh, this is the entire area starting from that border, the fence around this area where you can see a car is standing, and this entire area is covered with bushes and plants, small plants that don't need to be anyhow to be grown in that this type of area. This is a stupa, and stupa, or we call it a gumbad, and you can see the condition of the gumbad. Small plants are growing over it. This place needs maintenance, a lot of maintenance. As you can see, plastic bottles are lying, litter everywhere, bottle caps, etc. You can see the bushes standing around the walls of this monument. See, there are garbage. There is some garbage collected nearby on the walls. People used to eat here and dump the trash all over. See, places like this must be taken care of. See, such a beautiful monument. I am standing on the roof of this place. So I just visited and I liked this place much. But the condition here is so brutal, so bad condition of the place. See, the entire area is covered with bushes. There are walk paths, but no one is caring about it. See, the area near Colony, it's a garbage place. Seems like too much garbage around, too much littering. You can see the removed pieces of stones. See, the walls are broken, the boundaries are broken, but nothing has been done to repair it. Here you can see a hole in the roof. I don't know whether it's a hole or it was left as it is, but this place is just this place can look beautiful, you know. Like you can see the walls, you can see the stones. It just needs some maintenance. I just visited this area, and as I saw the condition of this place, I was just so worried what is happening to India. See, it can be a beautiful place. It is a beautiful place actually, but the maintenance is zero. Even if I think the maintenance cost must be taken from the government, but nothing is shown here. I don't know if the cost is taken or not, but I just want this place to be look nice, beautiful. See, many of the people would have visited this area also, this place also, but this place seriously needs some maintenance. And I request the authorities of Delhi, Delhi Development Authority or the Travel and Tourism Ministry or the hierarchical, I mean, whichever authority is responsible for the maintenance of these places, kindly respond, kindly do some work, please. I will show you the uh, board which is located outside this place. It will tell you exactly what this place has been known and where it is situated. So I will just move outside and I will show you the place how it is. This is the area located in Horse Cast, which is also known as the education hub. People used to came here, students, to study and live. Coachings are usually take place here. Neat, Easy, PG, etc. Some famous coachings are. This is the Gumbad which I was showing you before. As you can see, this is the Gumbad I was telling you before. I was showing you before, and now I will just walk through the gate of this place, and can see what condition it is in. Such a beautiful place if it is cleaned up and all the bushes and all the plants these are removed. See, it's just like a jungle here, forest going around. And I walk through the door now. You can see this is the board. Which place is this? Oh my god. The board condition is too great actually. This is under the Archaeological Survey of India. दिल्ली a city of cities, शहरों का शहर दिल्ली, भारतीय पुरातत्व सर्वेक्षण, and the place is known as Vijay Mandal. So you can see condition here. This is the condition here. You can see, all right. So this is the entire video. Thank you very much. Like, comment, share and subscribe please for upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Peace.